Hi, if you're watching this video, it's what to do when the iPad Mini 2 goes blank and you tried the home button, nothing happens, the lock button and nothing happens. I'll be showing you 2 ways what to do to resolve this problem. And there's 2 screens what it will go to. That screen where you'll be saying go to iTunes, and here is that to restore it or anything, that's for support. Or you'll go to that screen which is booting up. So what I suggest to do is get the power button and push that down, and the home button, push them together, and when you're pushing it together it will go to that screen. And when it's at that screen, you let go of a power button only, but keep your thumb or finger on the home button. So keep it on, and it should take you to a screen like this, which is iTunes. Like I've already said, it's basically to connect to iTunes and restore it. Or if you hold the power and home button together, take that screen, you could leave it. But which one I forgot to mention is there's actually 3, and this is the other one. So you're at this screen, you're going to hold the power and the home button together. Then when it swaps onto that screen, you're going to press the volume up button, which is that button there. So you're on that screen, pressing all power and home button together, then you go on this button, well this screen, then you press the volume up button, and it should take about 5 to 10 minutes of holding that there, and just keep it there and you should be okay. Or if that doesn't work, go to Apple and they should fix it for free. Thank you for watching, please slap a like and have a nice rest of your day.